Alright, YouTube, you'll see we done cut our pipe down, and we have our V-band right here that goes to our wastegate. Let's line them up, see how everything falls out. Have our pipe right here. Okay, we'll probably weld him like that. So our V-band will go here. Our V-band will go like that. And then our wastegate will come right here. So that looks perfect. Let's go ahead and tack this V-band up and get it all where we can start welding it up, guys.
Monkey.
Now, GC45 turbo EV. Yo, hit that subscribe button.
You saved me so much on my insurance with that Russell.
Alright, gang. It ain't the best welds, but it's something. Think we might be alright.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test, I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby, you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing, sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion, even though I offer all of the solutions. I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you I knew this. When I'm with you I feel so useless, I feel diluted, my heart's been wounded. Silhouettes of you are like a taunt, never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm, I can feel the sweat inside my palms.
Just like I wanted it, I don't have to put it on the inside. And we go ahead on and try to get a tack, well, get us a tack right here somewhere. We're gonna be Gucci. If y'all enjoying the video, make sure you comment, like, subscribe, tune in.